What if you could grow a business, or run the one you already have, without hiring a single person? No HR, no team meetings, no stress about payroll. Sounds impossible, right? It's not. I'm talking about using AI agents, specialized tools that act like digital employees. They handle real tasks, work around the clock, and don't need a break or a salary. And here's the thing, when you use them right, they don't just save you time, they increase your profit. So in this video, I'm breaking down 4 ways people are using AI agents right now to work smarter, grow faster, and keep more money in their pocket. Number 1, the AI sales assistant. This one handles all your front-end communication. It answers questions, qualifies leads, handles objections. Basically a 24/7 sales rep. You can train it on your offer and plug it into your website chat, email, or even DMs. A guy I know runs a $49 a month membership site. He added a GPT-powered chatbot that answered FAQs and nudged people to sign up. The result? He doubled his conversion rate. Same traffic, no extra ad spend, just better handling of leads. Number 2, the AI video editor. If content is part of your business, editing is where time and momentum goes to die. But tools like Pictory and Runway ML can take a script or long-form video and automatically create short-form content with captions, B-roll, music, and transitions. A small TikTok agency I follow used to have one editor handle 3 clients. Once they added Runway into their process, that same editor now manages 12. That's more clients, more output, and way more profit. No extra hires. Number 3, the AI content repurposer. You don't need to create 20 pieces of content a week. You need one good piece and a system to repurpose it everywhere. That's what tools like OpusClip and Content at Scale do. They take your podcast, YouTube video, or blog post and automatically turn it into shorts, tweets, emails, and more. One solo creator I know uploads a weekly YouTube video, runs it through OpusClip, turns that into 3 TikToks, writes a tweet thread, and builds her newsletter from the outline. One video equals 6 days of content. That's how you stay consistent without burning out. And number 4, the AI analyst. Let's talk numbers. You don't need to be a financial wizard. You just need to see where you're losing money or leaving it on the table. Connect ChatGPT to a Google Sheet or use something like Rose.com, and suddenly your sales data talks back to you. It tells you what's working, what's costing too much, and what's not pulling its weight. An e-commerce seller I worked with had one product draining their ad budget. They didn't even notice until the AI flagged it. They paused that product and saved $800 a month. These tools aren't just helpful, they're force multipliers. You don't need a full team. You just need a smart stack of AI agents working behind the scenes while you focus on growth. Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments which one you want to implement first.